girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a video sponsored by Julia Hair and this is all the free goodies that we got. If you are a pink lover, you're gonna love all of the free goodies that they gave us. So they gave us two different kind of brushes. They gave us this one and then this one, which is perfect for detangling your hair, which I just cannot wait to use because hello, it's pink. And then also we got this comb, which is great for like on the go. I would definitely put this like in my purse real quick, but this one is my new favorite, which is great for partying. Y'all see that? Yeah, these pink clips, and we got a wig stand, okay, period. And they also gave us this melting band which says Julia Hair, but they also gave us this one with some pink press-on nails and a HD wig cap. This is the unit. I love that it has the pre-made baby hair. You guys can see it right through the packaging. The curls are absolutely amazing. Like, look at that texture and that color. The knots are so tiny with the pre-made baby hairs. This is ready to wear right out of the box. You don't have to worry about plucking it. And look at the lace, okay? It melts perfectly to my skin without any product on it. Hello. Yeah, this is a parting space. It's a 7x5 inch, so you definitely get a lot of parting space, and this big wide comb in the back along with a adjustable strap. The adjustable strap will allow you to wear this as a glueless install, and this unit is just so gorgeous, you guys. I cannot wait to put this unit on with y'all, so we got to get into this install real quick. Hello.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you late. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real amazing. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side of all this. Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What drag me like 2 hours to your family's house? What said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same as being stuck. And like guns with the ink in, getting under my skin. To the little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated, I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I wanna say, I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Chamberlain and Robert, but either way the objective is the same, to please and entertain. Be my vixen, my battle be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night, check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Make a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive?
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Julia hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous reddish brown color and I am obsessed with it. I really like how this color complements my skin tone. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Like, the color alone is just gorgeous. I really didn't have to do much with this unit because it is one of those beginner friendly type of units where everything is done for you straight out of the box. I didn't have to bleach the knots in this unit. I didn't have to wash the hair. I didn't have to put a part in it. I didn't even have to do the baby hairs. Like, everything was done for you. I did add like this little swirl right here, but the rest of this was already done straight out of the box. So I was absolutely loving that. Another thing that I want to point out is their new packaging. I really like the bright orange packaging that they have going on. I thought that was really nice, and all of the free goodies that I got was amazing as well. So shout out to them for that. I really like when companies pay attention to things like that because we love free goodies. Like, who doesn't like that? And the great thing about this is that if you are somebody that has just a busy lifestyle, whether you are a student, whether you're a mom, or whether you're just the everyday girl that just needs something quick and on the go, this is going to be the perfect one for you because everything is done for you already. You literally can take this straight out of the box, put it on, you're good to go. There's no customizing that is involved. You don't have to worry about plucking the hairline. And when it comes to plucking, it's one of those things that you either know how to do it or you don't, because you can easily over pluck it or under pluck it or just pluck a bunch of holes in your lace. Didn't have to bleach the knots, and the only thing that I did do was put some foundation on the lace, some cream foundation. That's the Kiss foundation in the color Cappuccino. Everything is done for you. The baby hairs are perfect too because they're not too thick. Like, I really like the baby hairs that they did because, you know, when it comes to baby hair, that's another thing. It can get crazy. You know, it can either be something that's just like, oh my God, I love it, or it can just be like, girl, no, you should just take all of that off. And I did cut them so they can be a little bit shorter, especially on this side, because as you guys saw before, it was like literally almost touching my eyebrow, and that's a no-no. So we definitely had to fix that. And I didn't even have to put like any concealer or anything in my part. Like, it's just perfect already. And this is with it all up front. And if you guys are wondering, no, this is not a lace front. This is a 7x5 closure unit. They're literally the perfect units for people who love like closures but want like more of a frontal type of vibe, because you can definitely get away with doing a lot more styles with this unit. You can do a half up, half down, 2 ponytails. You can do a deep side part, a deep middle part. This unit can literally get the job done and save yourself some money. I do currently have it in a 24-inch, and this is 180% density, and this is all of the hair up front, by the way. So these are the 2 sides, and this is what it's giving. Just absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I don't have any products on it. I know some of you guys are probably wondering, like, what did you use to define the curls? I didn't do anything. I just wet it, let it air dry, and then I was good to go. So after I styled it with you guys off camera, went ahead and wet it, let it air dry, voila, here we are. So when it comes to curly units, I don't really feel the need to add a bunch of products on it. In fact, I feel like the more product you add to it, then the more you kind of weigh the curls down, and then your curls like aren't gonna be as popping. So just make sure you don't like overwhelm your hair with like a bunch of products and try to weigh it down with like conditioner. So this is what this unit is currently looking like. I am gonna stand up just so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. Like I said, this is a 24-inch, and for reference, I am 5'2". This is the back. If you do like a stretch leg. So yeah, like I said, literally works for everybody. Anyone can literally wear this color. Like I said, like look at the lace. Like they did such a good job plucking it. Like I promise you guys, I didn't put a pair of tweezers to this, and it just looks so amazing. And I just added this little curl right here just to give it something extra. I definitely want to do a side part, but I'm going to take pictures in like this middle part first, and then I'll change it off to the side. But I definitely would wear this more so like a flip over, you know. I think it looks really good like worn as a flip over or like a deep side part or something, you know, starting from here and just having the hair like go like that. This is so pretty. And like I said, because this is a 7x5, you can literally do a lot with it. You're not limited to just wearing it in a middle part. And I think that is the downside. When it comes to closures, a lot of the times people feel like, oh, I don't know how to style it. I guess I can only put it in the middle part, and then you just feel stuck. So that's what makes you want to go get the lace front. But you can literally do everything you do with a lace front with a 7x5-inch closure. So definitely consider it if you haven't already. And this is just a gorgeous color and an amazing curl pattern, and it just compliments me so well. And I've seen a lot of other girls with this unit, and it looks good on everyone. Like whether you are lighter, darker, medium skin tone, like it literally works for everybody. It's also work appropriate. It's a color that's definitely passable for the office space, so I think that's great as well. Or if you just want to try a new color, you know, you don't want to dye your real hair, but you might have been wanting to try this color, go ahead and try it out. And it's one of those units that'll definitely last you a while, but just keep in mind, because of the curl pattern, you are going to need to make sure that you are detangling your hair. Anytime you detangle, always start from the ends and work your way up. Use a paddle brush or like a wide tooth comb, and do it while it's wet. Do not brush your hair when it's dry. You're going to cause a lot of breakage and damage to the hair when you brush it while it's dry. When you put the conditioner and water on, that's when you want to start the detangling process. You never want to do it while it's dry though. I see a lot of girls, like even on TikTok, that like brush all of their curls out and then they put a bunch of product on, and then they use a diffuser, and it's just doing way too much when you literally don't have to do any of that. And you're also damaging the hair, even though you think you're helping, you're not. But yeah, this is so pretty. Absolutely love it. If any of you guys are interested in checking it out, make sure you do check out our description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. Shout out to Julia Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous reddish brown unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.